Fuel cell is an electrochemical device that to generate electricity from consuming of hydrogen, and the water is the only byproduct, so it has zero emission at the point of use. Fuel cell vehicle development has been prioritized by the Chinese government. Currently, there are 2,000 fuel cell vehicles on road, and the vision is to have 1 million more in the next 10 years in China. Our project has contributed to the development of low-cost and high-performance fuel cell. We are very proud that we are paving the way towards the vision.
We have been collaborating by utilizing the strengths from both sides. For example, we are combining our three-dimensional simulation tools together with artificial intelligence with Loughborough University so that the computational power can be enhanced. And another goal is that we are combining our design abilities for the electrode together with their 3D printing abilities.
Air pollution and climate change are the two major issues around the globe, including both UK and China. In terms of air pollution, it has already caused huge loss in the economic development, and also it causes premature deaths in both countries. If the hydrogen is produced from renewable and sustainable sources, then it can also solve the climate change challenges by eliminating the carbon emission from burning of fossil fuels.